Welcome back to Island Life Live. It's time to empower Hawaii's elderly. It is the mission of Kūpuna Power.
That's right. Let's join Brickwood Galuteria and his guests as we celebrate Hawaii's seniors.
Today we got a really special show. A good friend, Bert Lum, is here, along with my good friend Jaffer, who is with Tech Savvy Teens. And you know how that works, right? They teach the Kūpuna the tech stuff. So what are we going to talk about today? You got an event coming up.
Well, so there's a lot of interest in AI, artificial intelligence. And, you know, I met a group called the AI Safety Awareness Project. They were doing a lot of workshops and seminars and things like that with other libraries on the continent.
Sure.
So Seattle was one example. So I invited them to come on the broadband hui and asked them if you want to give a presentation about what you're doing. And as a result of the presentation, the people on the broadband hui said, oh yeah, we should have them come over here. And so they're actually coming to Hawaii,
okay.
And they're bringing about 4 people. And we're going to be doing a whole week of workshops and panels and things like that starting on Monday, April 27th.
April 27th, okay.
Yeah.
Jaffer, what's Tech Savvy Teens going to be doing with
So yeah, at 1 p.m. on Monday, we're going to be there. So at IAL Library. So Kūpuna, feel free to bring your devices, yeah.
So tell us a little bit more about the week.
On the Monday, we're going to be doing the event at the Entrepreneur Sandbox.
Oh,
so
there's
yeah. Okay. So there's a couple of activities, and since they're bringing like 4 people, some of them can go to like IAL Library, and then on Tuesday, they're going to go to the Big Island. Wednesday, they're going to be on Maui, and then Thursday, they're going to be on Kauai, and then Friday, they're going to come back Entrepreneur Sandbox.
Where
so
can we
have
go
a big,
for the information?
Okay, I know you're going to ask me that, so it's luna.com/AI Safety Hawaii.
Well, we appreciate what you guys are doing. Certainly, good to see you again.
Yeah.
Is there anything else you'd like to add before we say aloha to the viewer?
Well, you know, this is not just a one-shot deal. We want people to attend, and we want people to learn, and then start to think about what is it that you want to help in terms of shaping where AI goes.
Yeah.
So it's kind of an ongoing process.
And, you know, either you're going to be a part of it or, you know, you're going to be left in the
That's right.
dark, so to speak.
Yep.
But AI can be very, very helpful to the Kūpuna too.
Yes, absolutely.
So let's learn how to use it.
Yep.
Okay. Thanks again, Brick.
Yeah, mahalo.
Appreciate it. Thank you for watching. Until next time, I'm Brickwood Galuteria, and this has been Kūpuna Power on Island Life Live. Aloha.
Catch more Kūpuna Power Tuesdays at 12:30 p.m. on KITV and Sundays at 12 noon on KIKU.